y'all, it's your girl Avian Azurin, and if you're new to the channel, welcome. And if you've already been subscribed, hell yeah, thanks again for continuing to support the channel. And y'all are probably wondering, where's this crazy girl at this time? Well, and as you can tell by the title, y'all are in for a great treat today. You are here for the first episode of the Puerto Rico series. You know, there's this guy and this girl that live here in Puerto Rico. I'm not sure if y'all know who they are. You know, their names are SearoachTV. I mean, you guys should know, especially if you watch PWC content. They produce amazing content around the Puerto Rico area and also travel to other places. Here's some clips. Cue the clips so that you guys, in case you guys didn't know who they were. So we've been corresponding back and forth for over a year now, and they've been inviting me to come out to Puerto Rico. And thankfully, our schedules lined up and I was able to come out here. And of course, I couldn't pass up this opportunity. So for 7 days, I'm gonna be here and we're gonna be going to the most beautiful beaches and the islands and just all over the place in Puerto Rico. All right, now come on and ride away with me. You guys know that guy right there. Guys, I know I'm late. I'm late and he's gonna give me a hard time.
First day and she's already lagging.
I know. I'm like an hour and a half late. I snoozed my alarm, but it was actually, I turned it off. So we're at top secret location of SearoachTV's lair of where he keeps his skis. Oh, nice and covered, you know, climate controlled in there. Don't worry, Vilmarie, I'm gonna take really good care of her. And you know, she's the real one. Shout out to Vilmarie for letting me use her ski. Just saying about Mondays?
That is a good thing. That is empty. The boat ramp is empty because on Saturdays and Sundays it's really packed and it's like a 2-hour line that we're gonna make. So.
And we're gonna have Icacos all to ourselves.
Yeah. One of the world top beaches.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, it's going down.
All right, so we've got the skis all loaded up with our stuff, camera gear, everything that we're gonna need. Hopefully we're gonna get some good drone shots. We're here in Fajardo.
Oh, we will.
Oh, he's saying we're gonna definitely get some good drone shots. Now tell everybody that's watching what we're gonna be doing today.
Okay, gonna be island hopping, Zero style. We're in Las Croabas boat ramp right now, Fajardo, Puerto Rico. And we're gonna go to a couple of islands. We're gonna make our first stop. Our first stop is gonna be Icacos Island.
Uh-huh.
Then we're gonna go to the back beach of it. It's called Los Lirios, Playa Los Lirios. From there, we're gonna head to Palomino Island. And maybe we go all the way to Ceiba and see another island over there. So stay tuned.
Yeah.
Down.
Sea roach style. So we're gonna be riding the wake pros, okay? The Sea-Doo wake pros. Now, special thanks and shout out to Ville-Marie for letting me borrow her ski. She's a real one right there. And she wasn't able to join us today, but she will be coming on. Stay tuned for other episodes with Ville-Marie. And we're about to hit this water. So there's quite a bit of boats over here. You would think, man, this is the life, right? On a weekday, on a Monday, to be out here on the beach, on your watercraft, on a Sea-Doo, that's living the Sea-Doo life. About to come near the coral reefs. Stay off the reefs though, you know, protect the environment. But wow, I didn't bring my snorkel gear, but I mean I brought it on the trip, but I didn't bring it like today. I didn't know we were going to Icacos. I seen this place online and I was like, on a video somebody posted, and I was like, I have to go there. I sent it to Tonito and he goes, oh yeah, this was voted like one of the best beaches. And I'm like, we're going, right? So we made it to Icacos Island. Now, look how beautiful it is. That transition of the water is just like so breathtaking. Every time I just pull up to any type of blue water and then you just watch the transition. Oh my gosh, it's so crystal clear. I'm even worried about how shallow it is, but when you got a tour guide like Sea Roach out here, he don't care. He was like, look, there's a little opening right here. I've never been through here. Let's just try it. And look where the skis are now. So we're off to the next spot. He said that we're gonna try to go around the island and check it out. This guy is so crazy. I don't know this area, but he does. He don't care. We're just gonna go, I'm just following his path. Look how close we are. Wow, it's so beautiful. This guy's crazy. Riding that close to the beach. phone sad. Look at him. He's crazy. Gonna give me a little bit of a safety briefing. What did you say I gotta do? He said that I gotta follow him right behind him because it's gonna be a little narrow area. Got it. Another area. What is it called?
Playa Los Lirios.
Playa Los Lirios. Look at that guy right there. We gotta get footage and capture all the beauty. But we're capturing memories. Y'all don't forget that. So if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. So where we're going now? Palomino Island. Alright. You go first. Like this, like I got a ski valet, he sets up an umbrella, but you never know. Oh, I'm videoing you, video me. Alright, so we just beached up right here in Palomino, and he was just telling me that this island is a private island. Now, It's owned by El Conquistador Resort, and you could only go and enjoy their little resort area on the other side of this if you're gonna go on the ferry. You're not even allowed to walk over there and have a drink or have food or anything. You have to, maybe you can pull it off and act like you were on the ferry. I'm not sure. But he said that this place gets super packed. But I mean, I believe it, because look at this nice soft sand, white sand, and look at that. Look at this beach. I would be here every day if I lived over here. All right, so we're ready to roll again. I mean, ride again. We're gonna hit one more place that he was saying that he wanted to show me, and then we're gonna head back to the ramp.
We'll go around it.
Oh, we can go inside there.
Yeah, we're gonna. That's the island right there.
Nice. Okay. Oh, okay. So we're gonna go to the inner part. Okay, cool. Woo! Other island. He's gonna tell us all about it. So where are we? Isla de la Ramos. Ramos. No, I know. Ramos. Yeah. I know, but I was like with my country accent, Ramos. It is Ramos. Is this a private island? Oh, okay. He's got to get his camera ready. Back at the boat ramp. I didn't realize how close we were. This was an amazing day. Day one for me. And special shout out to SearoachTV. Man, he really knows how to give a good tour around Puerto Rico. I can only imagine what the next 6 days are gonna be like. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you have any comments, make sure you comment down below. And if you're not subscribed already, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and hit the bell also right next to it, because you don't want to miss the whole Puerto Rico series. But until next time, see you guys on the water. Look at this guy. Look at this guy.